So last couple of days में you might have seen something of this कि भाई top 100 hottest cities in the world में 90 plus are from India. Now this list is being shown as definitive proof कि भाई इंडिया में मतलब कुछ गलती हो रहा है कि सरकार ने गलती करी है. But let me tell you कि this is not the real reason. The real reason is geography. Geography के बारे में बात करेंगे, but उससे पहले ये देखें कि ये गलत क्यों है. Number one देखो कि भाई यहाँ पे बंदा, औरैया, भिलाई, झांसी, a lot of smaller Indian towns and cities are represented over here. Internationally बहुत कम शहर यहाँ पे हैं. Now इंडिया में टेम्परेचर हाई है, मैं नहीं कह रहा नहीं है, बट एट द सेम टाइम ओमान में भी हाई है, एंड यहाँ पे ओमान की कोई सिटी आपको नहीं मिलेगी. So what is this telling me is simply that this website has a lot more data from India. And let's say अगर 1000 cities इंडिया की हैं, 100 cities इंटरनेशनल है, तो कुछ भी कर लो, इंडियन सिटीज ज्यादा आएंगी. तो that's problem number one. Now problem number two, a lot of people are saying कि भी एल नीनियो के कारण ये हो रहा है, but actually अभी we are not even in the El Nino phase. Right now El Nino neutral conditions पे है हम, and there is a 60% chance that by the end of May and early June El Nino might develop. So I'm not saying El Nino does not impact things, but right now it is not impacting it. Now to understand the real geographical reason for this, you'll have to understand something called Rossby waves. Rossby waves क्या हैं? These are planetary circulations that are found both in the atmosphere and in the oceans. This is the polar jet stream, and अब हो क्या रहा है कि भाई Rossby waves, as you've seen, they travel in this manner. But sometimes there is a blocking event. माने कि it might be a mountain chain or it could be another weather phenomenon जिसकी वजह से either an omega या फिर एक inverted omega फॉर्म हो जाता है. जब भी omega फॉर्म होता है तो there is a anti-cyclonic circulation, high pressure area यहाँ पे build होता है. जब भी inverted omega होता है तो there is a low pressure area or cyclonic circulation that is formed over here. अब when I look at what is happening over India, what do you think this is happening? It is a omega shape that is happening, and because of which there is a high pressure area here. High pressure area में अब क्या हो रहा है कि भी जेट स्ट्रीम के लेयर से there is high pressure coming into this middle layer. नीचे लैंड हमारा हीट अप हो चुका है, यहाँ से हवा ऊपर उठ रही है क्योंकि हॉट हवा राइज करती है, एंड ये सब बीच में यहाँ पे ट्रैप हो जा रहा है हमारा, which is causing a heat dome. Now इस heat dome की वजह से एक और चीज हो रही है कि भाई skies are very very clear, because of which there is even more direct sunlight which is causing further heating up. So there you have it.